English Premier League, Matchday 1 Saturday the 17th of August at 7 o'clock v Wolves Arsenal. Match preview. Stadium Emirates Stadium. Capacity 60,355. Arsenal last 3 matches. 1 friendly Arsenal to Olympique Lyonnais, 2 friendly Arsenal for Leverkusen 1, 3 friendly Liverpool to Arsenal 1. Wolves last 3 matches. 1 friendly Wolves 0 Rayo Vallecano 1, 2 friendly Wolves 3 RB Leipzig 0, 3 friendly Crystal Palace 3 Wolves 1. Head-to-head last 3 matches. Premier League at 2020 for Wolves 0-2 Arsenal. Premier League at 2023 Arsenal to 2-1 Wolves. Premier League at 2023 Arsenal 5-0 Wolves. Head-to-head record. Arsenal wins 60, draws 28, Wolves wins 30. Possible lineups: Arsenal for 3-3. Possible lineups: Wolves for 4-2. English Premier League is back. Have a good time. Who do you think will win today's game? Please leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.